What's wrong with you? You're crying? Why? Over cake?
Can you sit mistreated before so eat cake?
Stop it and speak correctly, please. Chew that up and then tell me what's wrong with you, why you're crying. You wanted to... But you're going to sit here and cry and eat the cake? Roddy. You're going to cry and eat the cake, huh? Eat the whole cake and not just the frosting. You're rubbing your tears in it. Do you hear me?
Where'd you get that sick ass ring at?